Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you MSN how to change password. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So to change your Microsoft account password, what you need to do first is head over and open up your MSN app. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is tap on your profile icon on the top left corner of the screen. Then once you are here, what you need to do is tap on sign in. Then once you are here, you'll be redirected to log into your account and you'll be redirected to the browser. Now once logged into your account, what you need to do is tap on the menu icon, usually the three horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen, and then inside it select security. Then under password security, tap change by password. Then verify your identity if prompted, example via code sent to your email or phone. Then enter your current password, then your new password twice to confirm. Then once all that's done, all you gotta do is tap on save to apply the changes. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.